videos for the day because I'm so busy watching stuff. I'm in this game. It's called Firework Simulator. I need an island. Go. Give me an island. Please, yeah. Okay, don't give me an island. Stop! The fireworks! Where's the fireworks from though? Where's the fireworks? Wow, that was so loud. Look at it. I have some money right now, and I think I want to. Okay. Rock. My wood rock stuff. Okay. Go ahead. Wow! And this has so many. Wow! Oh my God! Why is it so pretty? So pretty! I'm making up name. What should we do? I'm making it say. Oh, I can do the wood rock shots me key to my. Let me. Oh my God! It hurts my ears. Ah! You hurted my ears. Stop hurting my ears. Oh. Okay. Why is it not working? Okay, go ahead. Let's do it. Okay. Let's yeah, it's working. What is this? What the? Let me just lower my volume. It's so loud. It's super loud because that item is super loud. What is this? Oh, shoot. Yeah, get that. You have to get you. Company. Good. What? It did nothing. I got that. What was that? What? My money? I got 11,030. Wait. What was I gonna say? Oh my God. I have 11. Or D. I have 11,000,00324 11,000,325. Oh, and B. Wow, I can just buy my favorites. Why? Okay, I can buy. Wow. That's a lot of money in this game. Okay. I need wood rock. Yes, I need wood rock. Where's the cracking ball? Oh, it's start. Look at my money. Oh my God, there's so many in my money. I got 11,00326. Yeah, just scare me. Oh, heck. What? Why is there fireworks in here? What is this? Why is there firework here? Ah! Wow, I think I just baited her face. What is this? It's a pile of fireworks. What did these guys do? They just look at my money right over here. I'm so rich and everyone has that, I think. Oof. Light that up. Light. Okay, there's a lot of people buying stuff today and give me okay, I think I'm vlogging, so I might join again. I can buy wood rock, I can buy some more of these. So this guy will have a 0035. Okay, I got that one. See what's my. I wish. Guys, let me give you a free, guys. So okay. Let's put some firework examples right over here. These are my firework examples, so I'm going to light them. You too. We look up. What happened? Wait, I'm falling? I want to do it again, so bye. This is what episode today. I just passed our bye, fannies, mermaids, murmurs.